Tanggalin lahat. O tapos, buhay pa ko. Sure. At least may kwento ako.
Would you believe, guys, if every day, with or without money, you have peace of mind, you're like a multi-billionaire already? What's behind it? Number one is what you call peace of mind. Right? What's behind it is actually joy. What's the difference between joy and happiness?
Temporary. Happiness is temporary.
Okay, happiness, pag may nangyari, okay, binati ako ng crush ko, happy ako, okay? Pero pag hindi, hahanap na ako ng paano ako batiin. Hindi bati ha, bati. Right? Bisaya kasi pasensya, right? So, joy is internal, whether I have money or not, I choose to be happy, right? Next, most important part here is the reason why walang katapusan, kakahabol ng pera, is because kulang sa fulfillment. And the way we describe fulfillment is feeling good about myself when I am by myself. Right? And lastly, it's not really what you want, but it's really the assurance na hindi ako mauubusan, parang hangin lang. And I call that abundance.
Security.
Abundance. It's not even security eh. The reason why I'm secured is because
You're abundant.
alam ko lahat ng gusto ko, parang hangin lang na ibibigay naman ng Diyos. Did that make sense? So, why did I bring this about? Because, again, having been working with people, next year will be my 20th year to work with people. Somehow, medyo nakita ko na yung pinaka-exciting part ng buhay is not really your goals, it's not really your channel, but it's really going what's important, what's essential, which is this. Would you believe, guys, if every day, with or without money, you have peace of mind, you're like a multi-billionaire already?
Yes.
You have joy, you have fulfillment,
Yes.
and you feel everything is available for you.
Yes.
And that is not the result of this. Now, the reason why a lot of people are in a level of stress and anxiety simply because at the end of the day, okay, we're too focused on this. Because when we're too focused on, especially the money, what is taking away from us is actually our health. Do you agree?
Yes.
Right? What is taking it away from us is our family, our relationship. What is taking us away from is the fun in life. Simply because nakatutok lang tayo, which is actually what we call goals are external. Most probably, ang nakita ko pinaka-formula sa buhay is really yung tinatawag natin ng B. Remember the be-do-have principle?
Yes.
Which a lot of times, hindi siya masyadong naiintindihan ng tao because we were all wired up, for us to get this, we must do this. Versus, my way of looking at it is really taking a look at on, if I start putting this out as my main focus, that if my come from here is peace of mind, joy, fulfillment, abundance, then whenever I am in my business, I start to do things so I can have all of this. Except lang, we were all wired up that we need to do a lot of things like hard work. Tapos dagdagan ng strategic work. Tapos dagdagan ng leverage work for us to get this. Now, siguro ilang years na rin tayong puro hard work, true or true?
Yes.
Ilang years na strategic work, true or true?
True.
Tapos grabbing leverage rate, true or true?
True.
Most of the time we get it, but a lot of times we don't. But what is really missing for a lot of people is this. Would you like to know why? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because maybe we're just focusing on the two, but my biggest suggestion here is I want you to focus on your source. I call him my God, Spirit, Soul. Which means, tanggalin lahat ito, but kung nakafocus ka sa Kanya, imposibleng hindi mangyari yan. Did that make sense?
Yes.
So which means the reason why people are living in fear, doubt, and worry, which is because nakafocus tayo na ginawa natin yung ating negosyo as our source. How do we know? Every time when we're afraid, that means we do not trust the source, that He will supply all our needs and all our wants, because where we put our trust in is our channel. Tanggalin lahat anong meron ka. Kung happy at excited ka, that means your job here is no longer focused on the external things, but your job here is focused here. Did that make sense? Yes. So which means when you focus your life about your goals and about your channel, there's one thing I'll guarantee you. What would that be? Okay, pakisulat po dyan, fear, doubt, and worry. Na specifically ngayon, a lot of things are going on in the world. A lot of things can be bothering at times. But here's the thing, in every crisis, in every problem, na-train tayo na opportunity yan. Tama ba? Pero ba't pa tayo natatakot? Bakit tayo nangangamba? Ba't tayo nag-worry? It's because maybe we forgot that the source of all of these things is actually our Creator. Who is, by the way, please write this, limitless. And never changing. So therefore, if I all want this, effortless. What's the word?
Effortless.
Yun bang tipong, some people wouldn't believe that I don't work out. I don't. Kasi I will not make my health and my physical fitness about my workout. So I can have a fit body. I make my life all about my source, so that my source will just provide whatever I want. Effortless. What's the word?
Effortless.
And therefore, if I focus all my time, energy, effort, even my money, in making sure that I have clear connection to the source will just work through me, for me, but not by me. So anong ibig sabihin? Yung mga goals ko, kusang nangyayari, hindi na nga ako nagsaset ng goals eh. I think if this is the type of work that you do, moving it from fear, doubt, and worry to faith, hope, and love, all of these things shall be added unto you. Can I go biblical around this? Yes. Sabi ka diba, seek ye first the kingdom of God. And we were all wired up, growing up, that the kingdom of God is outside us. But the kingdom of God is within us. Do you agree? That when we connect to ourselves, when we connect to our God, peace will be there. But here's the thing. The moment you wake up, normally, what do we normally do? Cell phone. You make your God your cell phone. Some of our children, you make your children your God. Some of us, our laptop, you make it. That's why, sasabi tayo, all of these things shall be added into you. Mangyayari lang pag tinrabaho mo. Pero hindi na masama, hindi mo tinrabaho, binigay. Maganda ba yun? And I think that's what's going on in my life right now. Enjoy lang ako at 55. Seriously, tanggalin anong lahat meron akong na-build. By the way, even if I don't do anything financially in the next 50 years, I'm A-okay, the same lifestyle. And I'm no longer working, by the way. But money are raking in like crazy. Maybe because I understood the be do have principle. The B represents here belief. Whatever you believe in. The do actually here is the actions. The have here represents the result. So which is whatever your beliefs are, whatever your beliefs are becomes your result. Action doesn't matter. Pag nakuha natin tong formula na ito, kasi the truth is, what will be different about this new organization that we are gonna put up? Kasi di ba nakailang organization na rin kayo? Totoo. It's the same thing. Di ba? You promised this, you promised that, you promised this. It's the same banana. Right? I heard somebody from the orange team. This is different. This is da. Daming percent. Iba talaga. But it's the same. Iba lang yung pangalan. Iba lang itsura. Why? Because again, we were all wired up. You have to do this so that you can have this. Here, ilang years na tayong magkasama, Nani?
Sa Genesis Coach, 2.5.
Alright? Did I ever tell you to do what you're supposed to do? Or did I just ask you, maniwala ka lang sa taas, siya ang mag-guide sa iyo, ihahatid na ko sa yung gusto mo. Okay ba yun? Now, as a result, I'm gonna share with you, I guess, characteristics of a limitless human being. Right? Can I share one? Number one, you wanna write this? Work and play become one. Do I seem like I'm working right now? Yes or no? Do I seem like I'm playing right now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So, si Nani nag-abot lang ng cheque sa akin kanina. Thank you, ah. Wala akong ginagawa. May 8 figures ako kay Nani. Palakpakan yan. No, seriously. Right? If I do this, by the way, it's 75,000 per night. 2 days, 1 night. So kung sapo tayo dito, I could have earned 750,000 if I charge here. Nani paid for it already. Pagkasabi, not bad. So work and play become one, which is I no longer work, all is play. Nako-confuse na ako kung nagtatrabaho o hindi, but work and play become one. True or true?
True.
Yeah, ikaw anong comment mo doon sa work and play become one ko, ano? Anong observation na ako for almost 3 years magkasama tayo?
Wala, coach. Naglalaro ka lang talaga lagi. Tsaka... parang never ka man nagmukhang nagtrabaho.
Never complain.
Happy ka lang lagi.
The biggest problem in our life, ano nangyari?
Wala, chill.
Inhale, exhale. Yung pinaka-action.
Right? Is that good? Work and play become one?
Yes.
Right. Number 2, immunity to overwhelm. What does it mean? Stress and anxiety and being busy is not part of my vocabulary. Genesis is just one of the 33 companies that I'm handling and taking care. How do I know? Ang nagbibilang sa akin, ito si Lucky. Ilan na officially? 33. So which is I'm handling 33 CEOs, president. These are huge companies like Genesis. But never mo ko narinig na busy ako, overwhelmed ako. In fact, ang dami kong time. Sa chatroom natin, Hana, ako pa nga pinaka-busy, di ba?
Reply.
Bilis mag-reply.
Libo-libo ang ka-chat ko, by the way.
Content creator pa, dami na.
Okay ba yon? Kailan mo ko narinig na stress, Dani? Eto kayo, sa dami nang naglumalapit sa akin, kailan niyo ko narinig na stress, na anxiety, na pressure?
Coach, yung sa bahay mo nasunog.
Last year, February, punta kami ng Dubai ni Boss RDR, kasama kong isang editor. Pagdaan namin ng immigration, nakita ko 16 missed call. So my personal assistant called. O bakit ka tumatawag? Siya, nasusunog po ang bahay. Anong nasusunog? Yung bahay niyo po. O tapos, alam na ba ng bombero? Opo. O relax ka lang. By the way, this house, I just renovated. The sky is the limit. 3 days before move in, nasunog. Tapos sabi ni Boss RDR, tao ka pa ba? Sabi, bakit? Kasi ako yan, nagwawalan ako. Uuwi na ako kasi aayusin ko. Sabi ko, boss, pag na-traitor ka ng kaibigan yan. Pag nasudong ka ng bahay yan. Pag ninakaw ka ng pera yan. Pero pag nawalan ka ng pera, nasunugan ka ng bahay, na-traitor ka ng kaibigan, at nawalan ka ng kaluluwa, iba yon. Why fear? Diba? Matthew says, look at the birds in the air. They don't plant. They don't harvest. They don't even store. But they are well provided for. So tell me, the birds are better than you? You wanna know why? Because maybe we were all wired up to put our faith to our vehicle, to our goals, not in our provider. Because remember, pag hirap ka sa buhay, dalawa lang. It's either number one, naging irresponsible ka, kailangan mo matuto yung lesson. So stop praying for healing, start working on your lifestyle. So parang niya gusto mag-perfume, ayaw mong maligo. So again, kung paulit-ulit ang hirap mo sa pera, hirap mo sa relationship, hirap mo sa health, may tinuturo sa iyo ang source, ayaw mo matutunan. Gusto mo pa rin, ito. Now, kung naging responsable ka man, ginawa mo lahat ng alam mo kaya maganin, one thing I'll guarantee you, hinahanda ka lang. Because God will never give you what you want if you're not prepared. But here's the thing, because we're not willing to wait and we're not willing to prepare, we take it. And the price to pay when we take whatever is for us, health, relationship, peace of mind. Sa anong ilang taon si yung youngest mo? Yung eldest?
Eldest.
10. Let's assume meron kang 1 milyong kotse. John, you have 10-year-old kid? 12. Meron kang 1 milyong kotse dyan sa garahe mo. Tapos ang son mo will say, let's say nasa 5 years old pa lang, Dad, I wanna drive a car. Will you let him drive? Yes or no? Huh? Why?
It's too young. Inexperienced. And illegal.
Same thing with your God. But sabi niya sa mga classmate niya, wala naman dad mo. Anyway, hindi mapapansin yan. Million. Pinamimigay nga lang eh. Nasa YouTube naman eh, how to drive a car. Guaranteed what will happen. Kaya ang dami nating accident sa buhay. Kaya ang dami nating pain sa buhay. Kaya ang dami nating pangit na nangyari sa buhay. No matter how much you pray, no matter how much you worship God, no matter how much you do, you took what's yours. You did not prepared for it. So, 99% of multi-billionaires, multi-trillionaires kausap ko, their life is miserable. Because they took what's theirs, but they're not even prepared emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. Kaya pagtanggalin takot, kaya walang peace of mind.
Wala. Crisis.
Did this make sense? Yeah, what's the worst case scenario? Tanggalin lahat. O tapos, buhay pa ko. Sure. At least may kwento ako. But notice the sleepless night. Notice the worry. Notice the anxiety. Notice the things that we go through. Because again, maybe we think that our channel is our source. Your wife is your source. Your children are your source. Your business is your source. No, they're not your source. They're just a channel. But when you focus on your source, which is never-ending, limitless, all of these things shall be added unto you. Good? Number 1, work and play become one. Number 2, immunity to overwhelm. Number 3, direct access to the creative source. Especially when we are in sales, we need a lot of creativity, right?
Yes.
And therefore, if you're in this path, parang ka ChatGPT, di ka nauubusan. At hindi ka takot makawalan, because again, you have great access. In the past 3 years, I've created what? 12, 13 programs na puro brand new. Katatapos ko lang Awakening, may bagong program naman ako, may bagong program, walang katapusan. Okay ba yon? Yeah, because again, I think the next part, number 4, will be big time for you guys. Win-win all relationship. Which is the moment you understand that the shittiest, the most painful, the biggest pain in relationship that betrayed you the most are God's greatest gift for you. Uulitin ko yon. The most painful relationship that you experience in your own life right now are God's greatest gift for you. Only when you move the pain to purpose. Which is kaya ko to naranasan ngayon kasi hinahanda ako kung saan ako dapat papunta. In other words, this speaks a lot about Christ's last 7 words. Can you recite that for me? Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they're doing. Which means, your capacity to forgive is your highest form of worship to my Creator. Not only forgive, bless, thank. Why? Hurt people hurt people. And if you truly get this, and this is not only based on theology, but this is based on science. It's in giving that we receive, true or true? True. But you'd like to know the highest form of giving? Yes. Forgiving. The moment you start releasing people who've hurt you the most, people who betrayed you the most, that's where the biggest transformation comes in. Idodrawing ko yan, ha? Metaphor lang ito, okay lang ba? Metaphor, we always seek that all the blessings come from above. Totoo. And as a beautiful creation of God, do we have all the rights to receive all the blessings? Yes? So I just have a metaphor. Okay? Are you aware of ChatGPT?
Yes.
Do you like ChatGPT?
Yes.
Why?
Makes everything easier.
Makes everything easier? Everything. What if ganon si Lord? Sample lang. Right? Lord, ice cream. So sabi niya, di. Ano gusto mo? A, B, C, D, F, C. Okay. Gusto mo ako na magatid sa'yo? Ito yung pabayad. Maganda. Example lang. Right? Chat GPT. Ikaw si iPhone 17, pinaka-advance. Tapos na-install na dyan yung ChatGPT na app. Magaling ka na rin mag-prompt. Now, my question here is, will you be able to get what you want? Yes or no?
Yeah, if you're asking something, ChatGPT.
Okay? Nag-ask ka na.
Hindi.
Ano pa? What do you think is missing in this drawing? What do you think is missing in this drawing? How will that happen?
A connection.
You need a channel, which is?
Wi-Fi.
Signal.
Tama. Signal eh. Wi-Fi ito.
Alright? Cannot be seen, but can be felt.
Yeah.
But what's stopping us, big time, from receiving what we want is what we call your ego. And according to Wayne Dyer, ego stands for edging God out. As if you're telling, Lord, mali yun, tinaridor ako. Kakasuhan natin yan, Lord. Mali yan, Lord, dinakawan ako. Mali yan, Lord. As if you're telling God you're wrong. Because the first major characteristic of ego is, I want to be right. That whatever is going on in my life, it's wrong. Now, kaya bang baguhin yung nangyari na or it is what it is? It is what it is. But what is taking us away from our peace of mind? Tell me. That you wanna be right, mali sila. Biggest thing that will block us from what is important, what is essential in life, is really understanding that we are actually what? Vessels. What are we?
Vessels.
And we are a vessels that our only job here is to allow the light of the Creator to run our lives. And how will our Creator run our lives? Number one, your first job here is to clear the vessel. Linisin yung vessel. Taas lang ng green. So guys, you want effortless blessing?
Yes.
Yeah, clear the vessel. You're clogging it up. What's clogging it up are the things that we carry. We call it bags, blame, anger, guilt, and shame. Ito lang trabahuin natin today. Mamayang gabi, ang sarap ng tulog nyo. Nani, the first time here, slept 10 p.m. and still carried on for the past 2 years. Yes or no? Because the whole truth here as human being, what's our highest nature? You're created in the image of likeness of God, true or true? And what's the last instruction of Jesus Christ before He was crucified? Forgive them, for they do not know what you're doing. So your first job here, if you want this effortless, clear the vessel. What do we clear? How do we clear our vessel? Bags, B-A-G-As. Blame. What are the things that we blame? Who are the people we blame? Why we are here? Why we're like this? Sa baba na lang vessel. Shame. So, this is what stopping the light of the Creator enters because, I mean, who would like to sleep in a very dirty room? Nobody. So, that's the first job. So, para sa akin, no amount of, me attending the praise and worship, me reading the Bible, me praying the rosary, if my internal state is not as clear as it wants to be, it's so disconnected. So, that's your first job. Your Wi-Fi here is number one, you need to clear the vessel. So kung medyo gapang ka pa rin, although nakukuha mo naman lahat ng gusto mo, okay naman, pero it comes from heaviness, come from anxiety, come from stress, come from all of these things, baka marami tayong kailangan i-clear the vessel. Did that make sense? And I think that's one of the most important thing you want to do because in the end, simplihan ko na lang to. Okay? How do you know that you're connected to the source? What's your way to make it happen? Can I share it with you?
Yes.
Effortless lahat. Diba? Ask and it is. Bakit pahirapan pa? Can I give you the first formula?
Yes.
Feel good no matter what. Feel good no matter what. Ask me why. God is
Good.
all the, and therefore if you want to feel God, feel all the, period. Simplihan ko lang. Because when I feel good, I do good. When I do good, I create good. But what will stop us from feeling good? Maybe we still have a lot of things that is not settled in. Starting with letter A, inner child wounds. So by the way, especially in romantic relationship, okay, lahat ng issue mo, especially with your soulmate, has nothing to do with your soulmate, but everything to do with your inner child wounds. So pag nainis ka sa girlfriend mo, sa wife mo, sa husband mo, hindi sila kaaway mo, yung batang naghahanap ng kalinga, pagmamahal, atensyon, no maliit pa na hindi na ibigay. Kaya ang daming banggaan. I think I've worked with more than 100,000 people for the past 19 years all over the world. Especially romantic relationship. 90-95% magkasama lang. Kung magkasama pa rin, disconnected. Bakit? Ang daming bit-bit. So pag masama ang loob ko sa partner ko, hindi partner ko kaaway ko, yung batang hindi pinansin ng maliit na hanggang ngayon may sugat pa rin na hindi nahihilom. Did that make sense? So that's the first ultimate priority. So that now you understand when you are with your romantic relationship, you just have to heal your inner child so that you become the perfect parent to the little child. So that little child, pag hindi pinansin, doesn't matter anymore. Did that make sense? Letter B, how we clear it? Completion and clearing exercises. Completion and clearing exercises. What does it mean? Meron ka bang mga grade school na mga kaklase na feeling mo hanggang ngayon, naiinis ka pa rin? Yeah, that means you still carry them with you. No, you carry them with you. Okay, nakatatak yan because remember, everything that happened to us is imprinted in our soul, in our body, and we need to just to release that. So ako, I just released someone noong Holy Thursday kasi I'm about to speak to Dubai and my talk will be about forgiveness, and apparently there is someone nasa space namin who did not make it to the cut, and right now he's spreading a lot of attack against me about my principle, and I just have to send a message, hey, letting you know, magkasama tayo, salamat kasi masaya kang kasama. Tapos FYI, nakakarating din sa akin yung mga attack tungkol sa akin, and curious lang ako, ano kaya nagawa ko sa'yo, bakit ganon, but I'm letting that go. I forgive you because it felt hurtful. Please forgive me if ever I am able to hurt you. Have a great life ahead. God bless you. How do you think I felt after that?
Relief.
Yeah, so I don't carry him anymore. I don't. Who is this? Ibulong ko sa'yo mamaya. No, but we do a lot of that activities. Right? So, clearing exercise, this is your current relationship. Like if in case merong behavior si Cha na medyo off, tatawag ako, Cha, release ko lang yung judgment ko kahapon. Ito yung nangyari. Okay, God bless you, love you. Tapos na. Hindi na nagpatong-patong-patong. Tayo Pilipino, kailan tayo normally hinaharap yung mga dapat harapin? Pag irreparable na. And 100% ng hiwalayan, it's not just because they don't love one another. It's because maybe there's a lot of things that they carry nasaid na, punong-puno na, hindi na siya ma-repair. Clear? Letter C, for me, most important part, so you don't go the same pattern, is what we call mindfulness. That I am mindful every time, okay, bumabagsak ako, alright, ay aangat ko. Because remember, when Nani was talking about the state of being, especially yung spiral down, yung lugmok na lugmok. Maraming ganyan na. Lugmok na, tapos aakyat na naman, tapos babalik na naman. It's simply because, again, main cause niyan is really inner child wounds. Secondary is maraming hindi na complete. But once you have worked on the two, pag hindi ka mindful, babalik ka sa original. Ask me why. The world is so negative. When you are mindful, you are not disturbed with the things you're supposed to be disturbed with. Maganda ba yun? Like instance, di ba? Okay, 300 na daw ang diesel. Sure. Thank you, Lord. Maraming pang paggas. Did that make sense? Which means you don't go into number 1. Sa kabila na lang. Disturbance. Hindi ka na di-disturb. Ayos ba yun? Kahit gaano ka bad news, kahit gaano ka pangit, hindi ka mayayanig. Okay ba yun? There was one time, no, si Nani, si Cha, sila Migs. Parang hindi sila makatulog. Tapos tumawag sa akin si Migs, Coach, parang ganyan ka ba kamanhid? Parang hindi ka affected sa anong nangyayari. Saan doon? Anong nangyayari? Sige, ito, ko. Talaga? What's the worst case scenario? Hindi ko po alam. Sige, makulong tayo. Di maganda, sama-sama tayo sa kulungan. Then what's the worst case scenario? Back to zero ka. Lahat naman ito dumaan sa hirap. True or true? At least you have story to tell. But why worry? Because worry is a negative prayer. And stop talking to me about your God if you keep on worrying. Nakakahiya. And faith really is something that you have certainty. What's the word?
Certainty.
That no matter how chaotic the world is, He's still in full control. Except that may konting narinig ka lang, di mo gusto, you become disturbed. And when you're disturbed, you become to number 2, discouraged. Ano ba yan? Right? So pag discouraged ka, do you think ang kilos mo, excitement? Or kung pwede, wag na muna kumilos. Mag-mobile game na lang. Then you get yourself into certain distraction. Major form of distraction right now, especially for young kids, mobile game. Sa kapanahon na natin, Roy, inuman. May 50s ka na ba, Roy? Wala pa. Oo. Di, kasi sa atin, di ba, punta sa, sa bar, shopping, kain, just to distract you, hoping mawawala. No. The moment you're distracted, you now go to distortion. Na-distort na yung reality mo. Nagbago na. Then downward spiral. Palumog. Then ayan na yan, yung downward spiral, dyan na yung people wanting to take away their life. This is the major cause why people are depressed. Why? Because they never have a mindfulness exercise. when say you have a mindful exercise, aware ka na na-disturb ka, and you pause. Problema kasi sa network marketing, okay lang yan. You eat rejection for breakfast. Rejection for dinner. Parang ino-okay natin hindi okay. So when you're mindful, you're okay. Teka, bad trip ako. Take a deep breath. Then do not operate when you're bad trip. Kasi pag operate ka ng bad trip mo, kumusta ang result? That's why you need to be very mindful, especially with how you think, how you feel, how you act. Everything that's going on in our life right now na ayaw natin kasi wala tayong mindfulness. Sige nga, sino ito nagalit na sa buhay? At nagalit ka, may ginawa kang hindi maganda. At nasaktan mo yung ibang tao, at lalala ikaw, nasaktan mo yung sarili mo. Tapos sabihin, hindi ko na uulitin. Pero sa isang iglap, inulit mo. Ask me why. You were actually acting mindlessly. That's why if there's one thing I would love you guys to bring home tomorrow, we're gonna do a 1-hour mindful exercise. Mamili lang kayo either 4 or 5 a.m. We'll sit down and do nothing. By October this year will be my 7th year not to miss a single day of my 1 hour or more meditation. Iba. Because para sa akin, this is my highest form of worship and devotion that I just do nothing and just being still. Kahit gaano kagulo, di ba, Lord, I still trust you. And the whole day, I'm well guided. I'm well supported. Did that make sense? Mindfulness, letter E, is nature. Spend time with nature. So tomorrow, I'm gonna do nature bath, if you're okay.
Yes.
Tapos last but not the least, letter E is playtime. Play. Take time to play. Clear? So the big X there, wala ka talaga, kung meron ka mang blessing at in and out ang blessing mo, baka yung connection mo sa source, parang ano to, yung dial up na ang bagal.